Toy Jeeps here with another video. Today we're going to install a pop-up plate. And the reason I'm going to do this is because last time we went overlanding, I put my plates in here. This is taking space, and I got to be pulling them out. We found this in Campers World, so I purchased it. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and stick it up here. You got to watch out for the outlet, the lamp. But I figure right here will be a good spot. Looks like, as you see here, the plates come out through here. So it goes right here perfectly. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to do a double-sided tape. I got this on Amazon. If you're interested, I can leave the link below. But I can't put it in the middle because of the light. And I can put it on this side. My only issues with putting it on this side is the stove. It's right above the stove. And I just don't want to be here trying to cook something. This is paper, and it's gonna, maybe, not that it's gonna catch fire, but to me it's just gonna be more a fire hazard. So thinking if I stick it here, I really can't notice it. And I guess I'm going to do a two-face tape. I'm going to put one in the front side, so I'm going to put on 4 corners, double-sided tape, and then go ahead and stick it up top. Alright, the tape seems like it's pretty sticky. It's two-face tape. I put one in each corner. And I gotta take off the other piece. So you gotta make sure that when you put it on, you got it exactly where you want it. Because if not, you're gonna drip it off, put new tape, and do it all over again. So I use my 2 hands just to make sure I center it correctly. And just press the tape on there so you can make sure it sticks good. Once it's on there, you take the cover, put it back up here. That's it. Now you get your little plate holder. Take your plates up. Voila. This will fit 9-inch plates. So this is 8.5.